was just telling somebody the fact that I've been on this planet for 31 years, and I just found out that this company makes a tape that goes over your mouth, and there's studies that show that it actually helps with your jawline, and it's shown to help with better sleep at night. So it's pretty simple. You just take these two little white pieces off, and you're gonna stick it right on your face. Just like that. And just rip it off when you're done. And don't worry, if you're worried about not being able to breathe through this when it's on your mouth, this actually has a flexible woven mesh, and it has a hypoallergenic adhesive on the back, so you don't have to worry about it messing up your face. The only thing I am upset about is that I bought this for $25 and I thought I was getting a good deal, but right now they are having a flash sale and it's only $12 in the link below. If you're like me, I'm always trying to find new things to get a better night's sleep, so if you are interested, click the link now and go try it out for yourself.